I'm sure you're here today watching this video because you're one among the thousands and millions of people who want to get started on YouTube, who want to start a podcast, who want to start a blog, who wants to jump on the online business wagon, which is huge. Now, everybody is a coach, right? So everybody wants to kickstart online business, post selfies on a beach with a bikini and say that I'm making money while I'm sunbathing, okay? But the reality is far beyond that, okay? It could be true, but the journey that they would have traveled to reach there is something huge. But today, in this digital world, today in this post-pandemic world, where every parent, even in a village, is trained to get onto online classes, today in this world where everybody has access to Zoom, where everybody knows that this is going to be the future, this is the best time to start a YouTube channel, okay? If you think that it is already saturated, if you think it's already over, there's nobody who will consume your content because there are YouTubers already who have created thousands of videos in this, you are wrong. Okay, so that's the best evidence that people are still searching for new contents. People need fresh faces, people need fresh perspectives. So this is the reason I am going to tell you 3 main reasons that you have to kickstart your YouTube journey in 2021 and beyond, whenever you're going to watch this video. I'm going to be doing a series for wannabe YouTubers or small YouTubers on right from how to kickstart a YouTube channel, how to name your channel, how to get your video out to viewers. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing because there's going to be a lot of videos coming up in the YouTube Strategy Lab series. So I am the founder of YouTube Strategy Lab, where I teach you contents that sells, contents that blows up your bank account, not blow up YouTube. I'm not viral yet. I'm not there yet. Okay, but one day. But until then, we will start focusing on the cash flow. We will start focusing on turning YouTube gold mine into our business machine, into an organic traffic source. So without much delay, let's get on with today's video. Are you ready to hear 3 main reasons that I'm going to tell you to kickstart YouTube right today? You can kickstart right after watching this video. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm Dr. Priya, academician turned business coach, founder of YouTube Strategy Lab, an intensive coaching program setting a strong foundation for your YouTube journey with the right video marketing skills to build a wildly successful business. If you want to get started with your YouTube journey, and if you wish to know if you are the right fit for my coaching program, click on the link in the description below to schedule a 30 minutes free call to discuss the options, and I'm really excited to speak to you soon. Without much delay, let's get on with today's video. So the first reason to get started on YouTube in 2021, where you feel it's so much filled with competition, it's a crowded space, it's really loud, you have thousands of videos that are already in your niche, in your content, so you are really not confident whether there is an audience for you, whether people will watch your content because there are already people out there, okay? So I'm going to bust these myths with these 3 reasons, and let me check if I have convinced you good enough to get started in 2021 on YouTube, the most powerful gold mine for business. The first thing is video marketing is huge, is the future, it's the present, because people don't have time. People are lazy to sit and read pages and pages of articles. I still read. There are a lot of people out there who would love to read and consume content, read and understand contents. However, the major chunk of the population seems to be running out of time. They are desperate to get their problem solved instantly. So rather than reading and looking at a screenshot, they would rather look at a video that demonstrates how to solve their problem, and they can connect with the person who's talking because there's a face that's put on the video they can resonate with, they can trust, and they can proceed, they can get an answer. We go to YouTube for motivational videos. We go to YouTube for recipes. We go to YouTube for crafts. We go to YouTube to educate and upskill. We go to YouTube for everything, okay? So that's the second most search engine, which is very, very powerful. And in the first tip, I'm also going to add on that once you have a content that is searchable for people's problems, you get featured on Google straight away. When people use Google, you know there is a video tab where the videos that are related to that search term pops up. So it's a double dip. You show up on YouTube, you are already featured on Google if you use the right strategies, if you use the right SEO techniques to get yourself out to the audience who are searching for your contents. Did I convince you good enough? Not enough? Let's go on to the second tip. The second tip is most of us dream about passion to profit. All of us have a burning desire to pursue a passion, which 99% of the world's population are not gifted to pursue, because we are traditionally conditioned to go to school, go to college, get a uni degree, get a corporate job, climb up the corporate ladder, and that is how you are conditioned to think, you are conditioned to live, because we have lots of commitments, and that's absolutely fine. There is nothing wrong with it. There's no doubt that this is what most of the population are doing. But still, when you have these weekends, when you have these little bit of time in the mornings and evenings, if you can sacrifice 1 hour of sleep, you can do wonders. So this is what I teach to the side hustler community. Okay, having a side hustle is very, very good because your bills are taken care of and passion does not feed our family. So YouTube is the best way where you can invest 3 to 4 hours of your time in your entire week, okay, and put up one video which sells, which brings out your service, which brings out your passion. So this is what I teach in my YouTube strategy lab, where we go and dive deep into your target audience, we dive deep into your content formula, and we strategize on how to create a content with the proper call to action and the content that sells. So I've got a video that talks about 3 steps that you can use YouTube as a business platform, as a business gold mine. So check out that video to get more insights to that. So this brings us to strengthen the point number 2, which is passion to profit. When you're starting out YouTube as a side hustle, you allow yourself to test, experiment on multiple topics. You can do a craft video, you can do a cooking video, you can do a shopping video, you can do a vlog, and see which gets more views, which videos people can resonate with, which videos people love watching, and then you can start making more such videos. Okay, so YouTube is the only platform, according to me, that allows you to experiment based on the analytics, because the analytics is so finer. The attention to detail to analytics is very important. So you listen to your audience and you fine tune your video contents, you fine tune your video format according to how your clients, your subscribers, your viewers prefer. Is that convincing enough? Let's go to the last thing that I've got. So it is absolutely free, okay? People need not even log in to view a video. So that is the power of YouTube, according to me. So people will be scared to log into their Gmail ID to access YouTube, and there's this fear of watching some content, subscribing, and then having it on their feed. So there's a lot of mindset things that goes on to just watch a video. So all other contents, if you want to consume, if you want to say, you have to be logged in, you have to log in to view the complete content. There's always a catch. But YouTube, completely free. You need not even log into your ID. Go on incognito mode and watch the video that you like. So there's no need to log into your ID. It's a completely free searchable engine where your content is put forth. So this is organic traffic worth thousands of dollars that people spend on Google ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. Okay, so that is the most powerful aspect of YouTube, which you can use to channelize clients, channelize your leads into your sales funnel, into a website that will sell your products that you want to have your services on. So it is a gold mine. Do not underestimate the power. Just hop onto YouTube, do some video just for the views, or you want to have thousands of subscribers. That will eventually happen if you provide genuine content, if you are authentic, if people can relate to you. So these three are the main points why I want you to get started with YouTube. If you have a passion, if you have a dream, obviously you can check out my other videos on how to repurpose the YouTube videos into multiple social media platforms. So that is a whole different ball game altogether, which will save you time. All this requires your mindset shift of you thinking yourself as a business owner, because being a YouTuber is not just entertainment, it's not just fun, it's not just something to kill your time. It is a game changer. I want you to realize that it is a game changer. It has changed my life forever for good. So I want you to really understand and empathize that this is a huge opportunity, and get your foot there in the YouTube world and get started with getting booked, banked in your bank account. All right, I'm sure it was persuasive enough, it was convincing enough for you to get your foot on YouTube. So I'm so excited. If this was convincing enough, drop it in the comments below. Let me know on Instagram, tag me when you start a channel, and I'll be happy to give you a shout out. All right, so let's see on the other side of Instagram world, and signing off today. See you all in the next video.